Hey you guys, it's Riley here again. This video is going to be a quick one about just flowers and stuff like that. Just what I would recommend growing as far as like flowers go, because I just had pretty good success as a beginner with these, and I would recommend doing more like that. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first flower that I would like to recommend is growing a zinnia. The zinnias are a pretty hardy perennial flower, and they're so beautiful. Like, man, all the bees and the butterflies love this plant. I've had plenty of photos where I've included it and stuff like that, and I just really like the flower. It's just really pretty. I like that little inner comb of flowers going around it too, and I just really would love to see like keep trying to grow this in different coloring and stuff like that. And if you grow, be careful if you grow them with other colors of these, because they will cross pollinate easier and they just get different and more different. Like even this one right here looks slightly different from the other one. But yeah, definitely would recommend you grow these. Next flower I'd recommend are cosmos. Sorry for the sad display. This is just another reason I wanted to show you this. Look at this beautiful flower. Look at that. Like this flower, this plant, yes, I can tell. You can beat me up all you want about this plant. Like I'm just doing my best with it. But like this plant right here, like it's just been able to stay alive pretty well, even despite any interactions that I've really had with it. So um like if I was properly taking care of it, it could probably even do more flowers. So yeah, Cosmo is like just an easy, very easy plant to just get a hold as a just trying to get into gardening. I'm gonna say that this is a type of sunflower while we're over here. This is a type of sunflower that I'm growing. It has a couple shoots. It's very beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. Like look at this. This beautiful plant. Beautiful flower. Can't wait uh, to try to see if I can grow that or even harvest some seeds next in a bit. But yeah, I would recommend growing this one. I'm gonna when I get an exact name, I'll put it on the screen so that you guys know what it is too. This is another type of zinnia. I just kind of remembered it as I was coming over. Just wanted to show you guys that like it's surviving pretty well too. Now this is a little bit of a cheat, but this is Globe Amaranth, and I bought this one, but ever since I bought it, it has stayed alive, it stayed healthy. It is a pretty solid plant, so I would also recommend growing that too, especially if you're trying to look for plants to grow in the Memphis area and you're afraid of what will or will not grow. Growing roses. I've told you guys about this rose, me growing roses before, and I highly recommend it just because like this was a gift. This was like cut off of a friend's house, and it was a nice little like memory sake whenever she comes over to show that we still have this like little bit of her house that she grew up in. And they are very hardy. So if you think you'll kill it, I challenge you. I challenge you to grow a rose. I have another. Look at that. Do be careful where you plant these though, because of these thorns that they have. They like I wouldn't plant these near a walkway. Sorry. Yeah, I wouldn't plant these near a walkway of any kind. There we go. So that's what I call like a dead marigold. That's after it's produced its bloom. Um, uh, Marigold is so easy to grow. Like I don't know, you would really just have to be like really trying not to get it to grow. But I would. That's going to be the last plant I'm going to recommend. Um, it definitely brings some beautiful bugs and uh like pollinators to the yard and stuff like that. So yeah, that's exactly what I would recommend. Oh, got you a bonus one. These plants right here are called 4 o'clocks, and Yeah, it's 4 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna admit to you right now, they're full. Okay, they're not full. They're terrible. They're liars. But yeah, this these 4 o'clocks are pretty cool. They do bloom like all of a sudden towards the later part of the afternoon and stuff. So I would highly recommend that you get these. Like these things, I did not expect them to get this big. Like it is crazy how far around that this plant has gotten, and it's just a great beginner tool just to kind of get your feet wet in this topic. All right, another thing that I'm harvesting are these 4 o'clock seeds. Like I said, these seeds, these flowers smell amazing. And as you can see, the seeds are these little black pods here, and these are just what's left over after. Of course, the wind would blow right now. But yeah, these are just what are left over after the bloom like goes away. See, it'd be that part right there, and just to harvest these, you just take these little rock-like pods. Cool, right? But yeah, that was my video about flowers. If you guys have any other recommendations, whoa, that was a pretty weird flower. Yeah, don't know if I'll cut that or not. Yeah, if you guys have any flower recommendations or anything you think I should grow or that are also easy for other beginners, like post it in the comments. Let other people know what they should be growing and stuff like that. And if you have any suggestions for me or anything you would like me to plant in my garden next year, please let me know. And you guys continue to be the awesome people that you are. And like I said, like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, share this with like 10 of your friends so they all know that I exist. I'm joking. Just share it if you think this information will be useful to anybody. And you guys have an awesome day.